Have you ever felt a fire in your heart? A sensation that stirs deep within, urging you to seek out something greater, something beyond the ordinary confines of daily life? This feeling, this burning desire, is not just a fleeting emotion. It is a call to action, a whisper from your soul, reminding you of the boundless potential that lies within. A yearning for something more, a desire to break free from the mundane and explore the vast possibilities that life has to offer. This yearning is the spark within you, a beacon that lights up the path to your true potential. It is a reminder that you are meant for more, that you have the power to create, to inspire, and to transform. This, my friend, is the spark within you, a beacon guiding you towards your true potential. It is the light that cuts through the fog of doubt and fear, illuminating the way forward. It is the force that drives you to rise above challenges, to push beyond your limits, and to reach for the stars. This spark is your inner strength, your unwavering resolve, and your unyielding spirit. We all have it, this unique and powerful force waiting to be unleashed. It is the essence of who we are, the core of our being. It is what makes us unique, what sets us apart from others. It is our passion, our drive, our determination. It is the fire that fuels our dreams and propels us towards our goals. It is the spark that ignites our creativity and inspires us to achieve greatness. It's time to stop dimming your light and let it shine brightly upon the world. Embrace your inner spark, let it guide you, and watch as it transforms your life. When you allow your light to shine, you not only illuminate your own path, but also inspire others to do the same. You become a beacon of hope, a source of inspiration, and a catalyst for change. You are capable of incredible things. Your potential is limitless, and your possibilities are endless. You have the power to overcome any obstacle, to conquer any challenge, and to achieve any goal. Believe in yourself, trust in your abilities, and know that you are destined for greatness. The journey may be tough, but the rewards are immeasurable. Believe in yourself, in your dreams, and in your ability to make a difference. Surround yourself with positive influences, with people who uplift and support you. Celebrate your successes no matter how small, and learn from your failures. Each step you take, each challenge you overcome brings you closer to realizing your true potential. The journey towards unlocking your potential starts with a single step, a decision to embrace your authentic self. It begins with a commitment to be true to who you are, to follow your passions, and to pursue your dreams. It requires courage, determination, and perseverance. But most importantly, it requires faith. Faith in yourself, and in your ability to achieve greatness. It's about recognizing your strengths, acknowledging your weaknesses, and stepping outside your comfort zone. It's about pushing past your fears, taking risks, and daring to dream big. It's about understanding that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Embrace the journey, cherish the experiences, and let your spark guide you to your true potential. What does it mean to unlock your potential? It's a question that many of us ponder at different stages of our lives. Unlocking your potential is not just about achieving success in the conventional sense, but about discovering and embracing your true self. It's about understanding your strengths and weaknesses and using that knowledge to navigate through life's challenges and opportunities. It's about embracing who you are, flaws and all, and recognizing that your imperfections are what make you unique. When you accept yourself fully, you open the door to genuine happiness and fulfillment. This acceptance allows you to build deeper connections with others, as you no longer feel the need to hide behind a facade, and striving to be the best version of yourself. This journey is not about perfection, but about progress. Every small step you take towards your goals is a victory in itself. Celebrate these milestones, no matter how minor they may seem, because they are the building blocks of your success. It's about identifying your passions, honing your skills, and dedicating time to the activities that bring you joy and satisfaction. Whether it's painting, playing an instrument, or any other hobby, these pursuits are essential for your personal growth and well-being. They provide an outlet for self-expression and creativity, which are crucial for a balanced and fulfilling life, and using them to make a positive impact on the world around you. When you align your passions with a purpose, you not only enrich your own life but also contribute to the greater good. Volunteering, community service, and collaborative projects are excellent ways to channel your skills and passions into meaningful actions that benefit others. Don't be afraid to dream big. Your dreams are the seeds of your future, and they have the power to shape your destiny. Allow yourself to envision a life that excites and inspires you. Look to the horizon with hope and determination, knowing that the possibilities are endless. Imagine the life you want to live, the impact you want to make, and the legacy you want to leave behind. Take the time to write down your goals and aspirations. Creating a vision board or journaling can be powerful tools to help you clarify your dreams and keep you focused on your path and the legacy you want to leave behind. Write down your goals, visualize them, and meditate on them regularly. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you manifest your dreams into reality. By consistently focusing on your goals, you train your mind to recognize opportunities and take actions that align with your vision. And take small, consistent steps every day to turn them into reality. Remember, progress is made through steady, incremental actions. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Stay committed and persistent, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. They are simply part of the journey. Remember, even the most daunting journey begins with a single step. The path to unlocking your potential is a lifelong journey filled with ups and downs. Embrace the process, stay true to yourself, and keep moving forward. Your potential is limitless, and the world is waiting for you to unleash it. The path to unlocking your potential is not always easy. It is often filled with unexpected twists and turns, much like a winding path through a dense forest. As you walk this path, you may find yourself bathed in moments of sunlight, where everything seems clear and bright. But there will also be times when the way forward is shrouded in shadows, and the obstacles seem insurmountable. There will be challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. You might find yourself standing before a large wall, unsure of how to get past it. Or you might be like a runner, struggling to climb a steep hill, feeling the burn in your muscles and the weight of gravity pulling you down. Perhaps you are a hiker, encountering a rocky trail that tests your balance and determination. But it's in these moments that we discover our true strength and resilience. When you lift weights with determination, pushing through the pain, you build not just muscle, but character. When you see the resolve in your own eyes, you realize that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. And when you finally reach the top of the mountain, the view is all the more breathtaking because of the effort it took to get there. Embrace the journey, with all its twists and turns, for it's in the struggle that we grow and learn the most valuable lessons. The winding road through a scenic landscape, the narrow mountain path, and the river with its twists and bends all symbolize the unpredictable nature of our journey. Each twist and turn is an opportunity to learn, to adapt, and to become stronger. Don't be afraid to stumble. Every fall is a chance to rise again, stronger and wiser. Think of a young child learning to ride a bike. They may fall many times, but each fall teaches them balance and perseverance. Or consider a runner who stumbles but continues the race, driven by the desire to reach the finish line. These moments of stumbling are not failures but stepping stones on the path to success. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a stepping stone towards it. Just as a person climbs a set of stairs, one step at a time, each failure is a step that brings you closer to your goal. A plant growing through cracks in the pavement shows that life finds a way, even in the harshest conditions. And like a phoenix rising from the ashes, you too can rise from your setbacks, renewed and ready to face new challenges. Learn from your mistakes, adjust your course, and keep moving forward. When you look at a map and change direction, you are not lost. You are simply finding a better path. A sailor adjusting sails on a boat knows that the wind may change, but the destination remains the same. An artist erasing and redrawing a sketch understands that each revision brings them closer to their vision. So too, should you be willing to adapt and refine your approach. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. A scenic journey through a valley, a road trip with friends, and a sunrise seen from a mountain peak all remind us that the experiences we gather along the way enrich our lives. The destination may be the goal, but the journey is where we find joy, growth, and the memories that shape who we are. Our beliefs shape our reality. If you believe you can achieve something, you're more likely to put in the effort and make it happen. Cultivate a positive mindset and surround yourself with people who believe in you and your dreams. Their support will fuel your fire and help you overcome any obstacle. Believe in your ability to make a difference. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Your actions have the power to inspire others and create a ripple effect of positivity in the world. Section 5. Overcoming obstacles. Obstacles are a part of life. They test our resolve, challenge our limits, and force us to dig deep within ourselves to find the strength to overcome them. But remember, every obstacle presents an opportunity for growth and learning. When faced with a challenge, don't give up. Break down the problem into smaller, more manageable steps. Seek support from others, and remember that you are not alone in this journey. With perseverance and determination, you can overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Section 6. Sharing your story. Every single one of us has a story to tell. Your experiences, your struggles, your triumphs, they all hold valuable lessons that can inspire and uplift others. Don't be afraid to share your story with the world. Your vulnerability has the power to connect you with others on a deeper level. By sharing your story, you create a space for empathy, understanding, and connection. You never know who might be listening, and how your words might impact their lives. Section 7. Inspiring others. When you unlock your potential and live authentically, you inspire others to do the same. Your courage, your resilience, your willingness to be vulnerable. It all serves as a beacon of hope for others who are still finding their way. Be the change you want to see in the world. Live your truth, embrace your imperfections, and never stop striving to be the best version of yourself. Your actions, no matter how small, have the power to inspire others and create a ripple effect of positivity. Section 8. Joining the movement. You are not alone on this journey. There are countless others who are also striving to unlock their potential and make a difference in the world. Connect with them, share your stories, and support each other along the way. Together, we can create a movement of positive change. A movement that celebrates authenticity, encourages vulnerability, and empowers individuals to embrace their true potential. Join us, and let's create a brighter future together. Section 9. Your journey starts now. The time for waiting is over. The power to unlock your potential lies within you. Embrace your authentic self, believe in your dreams, and take action towards creating the life you desire. Your journey starts now. Step into your power, embrace the unknown, and let your light shine brightly upon the world. The world is waiting for you.